Both systems handle the drops pretty well. Here's a 1-year update on my organizers. I bought them around the same time. Both have been left out in the rain. Both have taken quite a few tumbles, dents, nicks, and scratches. You guys can see all the damage there. Here is a 1-year update on the Toughsystem organizer versus the Packout organizer. Both are supposed to be IP rated. I can tell you, do not pee on this one. There is a gasket here, but it sits right beneath the plastic there, making a seal against the box. As you guys can see from all of my rusty fasteners here, my rusty bits, these are new, and my rusty nails, that is definitely not IP rated. If any of these little plastic boxes, super flimsy by the way, are misaligned, the box will not close. You guys can see that. Let's see if we can't. There we go. Okay. So it becomes a bit difficult to close that way. But I guess it will. Anyway, I really like the Packout. No, it doesn't have metal latches here like the Toughsystem does, but these aren't going to fling off and break your fingers. These do, however, break in after a while and become a little softer, not as stiff. I like this. Nice, easy open and close, and you guys can see how clean this box is after a year. No water penetrates here. It is a very high quality gasket that keeps out water. A slightly higher raised edge than the Toughsystem has. Here we have the Packout and the Toughsystem side by side. You guys can see that the Packout has a 2.5-inch advantage over the Toughsystem, and I know what you guys are saying right now, bigger doesn't always mean better. Well, let's check out their boxes, shall we? Pretty even. Small advantage there for the Packout. Packout comes in at 4 inches, Toughsystem 3.5, like half an inch there, but pretty darn close, maybe a 1/4 inch difference. If I had to choose a system all over again, I'd probably get the rigid. No such thing as a flimsy box with the Packout. Nice and sturdy, double lipped. I like the fact that you can actually hang these if you'd like. You don't really have that option on the DeWalt. Plus, if you decide one day, just for the sake, just for kicks, you want to use half your Packout for a drill, Packout organizer, it is there and available to you. Nice dividers there in the middle, multiple bits there, long bits I should say, that you really can't fit in the Toughsystem, fit just fine in the organizer. I believe it is worth the extra money. Packout says break our Packout. There we go. Packout says, yeah, right. We do have some damage here on the leg. No visible damage to the Packout after 1 year of heavy use and abuse. But that's it for this one, fam. If I had to choose a system from the get-go for a professional, I'd probably say roll with the Rigid. Both are solid boxes, but I'd probably roll with this one.